Hey guys, my name is Janeisha Payne, better known as Cooking with Jan. And today we are gonna make a stuffed pasta chicken. And these are all the ingredients that we have. You're gonna use a whole chicken. We're gonna use some heavy cream. You're gonna use like a cup, that'll be fine for that. You're gonna use your favorite cheeses. You can mix that up. That's gonna be about 2 cups of cheeses of your favorite. We're gonna use broccoli. We're gonna use lemon. We're gonna use some pasta. We're gonna use your favorite seasonings. We're gonna use the olive oil, a half a cup. Then we're gonna rub that on our chicken. We're gonna use a 3-pepper blend, which is gonna be a cup. We're gonna use some garlic. We're gonna use a couple tablespoons of butter to throw in the air fryer as our oil as it cooks. So what we just did was put our olive oil in there, we put our seasonings in there, we added garlic, and now we're just rubbing everything in before we place it in the air fryer. So while you're doing this, you can go ahead and prep your air fryer so it can preheat on 400 and preheat it for 10 minutes. And we're gonna cook it on one side of 400 for 35 minutes and on the other side for 25 minutes. I like to line my air fryer with foil so the cleanup is very easy. So what you're gonna do is spray it heavily because it's gonna be cooking for a while before we place our whole chicken in there. And you see we have our whole chicken seasoned to perfection. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and add this bad boy in here like that. And everything that's left in here, go ahead and pour on top. So everything can be incorporated. All the extra flavor is gonna be needed. All right guys, so now we are over at the stove top, and this is where we're gonna make the cheesy pasta that will be inserted into your whole chicken. So we're gonna start off with 5 tablespoons of butter. You want that to melt. 3, 4, 5. Alright. We're gonna add that. We're gonna add our chicken broth. Half of that. We're gonna add our heavy whipping cream. Mix that in. It's gonna be the whole thing. Alright. Want to make sure that your butter melts. You're gonna go ahead and add your broccoli in. Now you can do fresh broccoli, you can do frozen broccoli, whatever works for you. It's just always about being in and out of the kitchen very quick. So I went on and did frozen broccoli, unthawed it, and yeah, put it in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our cheeses. Like things cheesy, so we're gonna add all of that. It doesn't have to be any specific cheese. It could be your favorite cheeses mixed up. We're just gonna add those in there. And as your chicken is cooking, we will have this already ready to insert once it is finished in the air fryer. Just wanna make sure you mix this all up to where we don't have any clumps. Adjust your heat as needed. Go ahead and add your 3-pepper blend. melted, cheesy. Alright, then you're going to go ahead and add that pasta. It's going to be about 2 cups of pasta. Add that in there. Right. And at this point, you can add the rest of that chicken broth. And we're going to go ahead and season it. Add some of your favorite seasonings to it just to give it some flavor. And this part will be done. So what you're gonna do once this is done and melted, we're gonna go ahead and place this in a bowl. And this will be ready for when your chicken's done. And I'll show you what we're gonna do once your chicken's finished. So that's it for that. So we are finished with our chicken. When you take it out, this is how she should look. He should look. You're gonna go ahead and spray that a little bit. Done, giving her a little glisten. We've already, flipped her over. And we're just gonna add her to a greased pan. And we're gonna go ahead and add that pasta to it. And then cheese on top. It already has cheese in it, but this is a cheesy pasta, so yeah. So see how I told you we're gonna put her in the foil? When you put it in the foil, you can just take it out just like this, and that's how we'll have her. So she's already sliced open. So what you'll do is just take this pasta mix that we already made up, and you'll add that in there. Stuff it in there, put it on the top. And to make everything melt, we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven for 15 minutes.